If you're facing Facebook and an unexpected error occurred, please try logging in again when trying to open Facebook. Then in this video, you will find the solution. First, let me tell you that there could be a few reasons for this error, such as a bug or glitch in the Facebook app, entering the wrong password multiple times, or Facebook's server is down. Now let's see the solutions. If you're not using the latest version of the Facebook app, you need to update it. Go to the Play Store or App Store, search for Facebook app, and if there is an option to update the app. For the next solution, go to the settings on your phone, tap on Apps, Facebook app, tap on Storage and Cache, tap on Clear Cache and clear the cache. If these two methods doesn't work for you, go to the Down Detector website in your browser. Here you can check the status of Facebook's servers. If Facebook servers are down, you will need to wait 24 to 48 hours before you can log into Facebook again. So that was it. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.